Hello friends, welcome to Shashwat Academy. I am Dr. VInod Satyapal. Dear students, today I will teach you preposition. Dear students, before starting it, do not forget to subscribe my channel for more updates. So dear students, let us start. What is preposition? Preposition is a word that is used before a noun and pronoun and shows its relation with another word of sentence. Let us see with examples. First example, I go to school by bus. Dear students, in this example, the words to and by used before noun, school and bus. So the words to and by are the words of prepositions. So the word to and by indicate the preposition of direction. Second example, the cat is under the table. Dear students, in this example, the word under is used before noun table. So the word under indicates preposition of place. So the word under is a preposition. Third example, the pen is on the table. Dear students, in this example, the word on is used before noun table. So the word on indicates preposition of place. So dear students, the word on is a preposition. Fourth example, the shop closes at midnight. Dear students, in this example, the word at is used before noun midnight. So the word at indicates preposition of time. So the word at is a preposition. Dear students, there are another words of prepositions like into, over, above, in, next, between, after, every, upon, for, since, etc. So dear students, I hope you may have understood preposition very well. Dear students, if you liked my video, please like it, share it, comment it and subscribe it. Thank you very much and take care.